Question 18 now. This is a circle theorems question. It's a show question. So they told us the answer and it's 3 marks. So we need to give complete reasons for each stage as to why it is. Okay. A, B, and A and B are points in a circle. O is the center. So if that is a center, looking at this, I know this is going to be an isosceles triangle because OB and OA are radii. Okay, if it's an isosceles triangle, I know that this angle and this angle, they are also the same. Okay, now we know, so I'm going to put that down as reasons. I've got OAB is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so therefore angle OBA equals 180 minus x divided by 2, like that. Okay, so I've got that bit sorted. Next thing I'm looking at it is I've got a radius and I've got a tangent. So this is a circle theorem, okay? Radius and tangent meet at right angles, another circle theorem. So I know if this is a right angle. Now, a question wants me to figure out what ABC is. So ABC, that's what I need to figure out. Okay, so I know that that big angle is 90 degrees. I know what the blue one is, so I got to basically figure out what the green one is. So ABC is going to equal 90, which is the red one, minus the blue one, which we said was 180 minus x over 2, like that. Okay, let's work in black, just so we've got the colours right. Okay, I've got, this is a fraction over here, isn't it? It's over 2. So let's change 90 to also be over 2. It makes it easier to work with fractions. There's a minus s, so it's kind of like I'm expanding the brackets out. So it's like minus 180 plus x, and it's all over 2, so I don't need to write it again because it's the same thing in there. Minus 180 minus 180, what is that going to get me? Nothing, so that gets me x over 2 as needed.